Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is enable the Spanish language. To do that, we'll use Drupal's user interface to download that language. So for some reason, the menu items that we're going to need don't show up until we clear the cache, at least at the time of this recording. So we'll clear the caches first, and now we can use Coffee to go to Languages, and we're going to add Spanish. So I'll click Add Language. We'll select Spanish, and click Add Language. When we do, it's going to download the language from Drupal, and check for translations for our modules as well. It may take a minute to complete the process. So now if we wanted to, we can set the interface to Spanish. I'm just going to change Spanish to the default and click Save Configuration. Now you can see that the interface is Spanish. I don't know Spanish well enough to be able to get around very well this way, so I'm going to switch it back to English as the default. When we switched to English or Spanish, it changed a 2-letter URL prefix here. ES is the 2-letter prefix for Spanish, and if we changed it back to Spanish here, we would see the content in Spanish, even though English is the predeterminado. Because English is the default, we can also remove the prefix altogether, and the interface will be in English.